So hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you have enrolled in the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program Cohort 1, then congratulations, you are just a few steps away from claiming your 600 free credits to start your learning journey on the Google Cloud Skill Boost. And I guess you all have received the email to claim your 600 credits. So in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to how to claim your free credits. So just you have to click on the enter your code. After this, you will be redirected to the Arcade Facilitator Cloud Skill Boost platform. So after this, you will have to copy the access code. It is unique code that you have received on your email. So just you have to copy and paste it in the access code that is the pop-up is asking. After this, we will have to click on a tour of Google Cloud Hands-on Lab. After this, we will have to sign in with Google and make sure to log in with the same email that you have given in the form. Now you have to click on the start lab and doing the lab. So just wait, I'm explaining all the labs that you have to do. So just scroll down below, and after this you will have to complete some MCQs. So these are the answers of all the MCQs. Just see these MCQs and please put all the questions in correct manner. And after this, you will have to click on the open Google Cloud Console. Please make sure to open in the incognito mode. Okay. After this, you will have to click on username and copy the username, copy the password, and just sign in with your Google account. Okay. That has been provided by the Google Cloud Console. After this, you will have to complete some MCQs again. So it is task 2. So it is understanding your only about the understanding that what you have understood. Okay, so now you have to go to the incognito tab. So click on I understand. After this, just click on I agree and continue. Now you have to click on IAM and admin and go to IAM to complete it. Now click on grant access and then go to the a tour of Google Cloud hands-on labs again. Just copy the principles that has been provided on the Google Cloud Labs. Just paste it here and now search for the viewer role. Now click on viewer role, then save it. Just you are doing a lab in incognito mode. Now see, you can see the policy updated and the student email is in the viewer mode. Okay, now click on grant an IAM role and in the right side there are checkpoints to grant an IAM role. After this you will get 50 points. Now again the MCQs. Now just click on APIs and services. Now search for dialog flow and hit enter. Now you will see one result dialog flow API. Now just enable it. Yeah, now it is enabled. Now go to the labs and click on check my progress. Then it will be completed and just click on the checkpoints again. and click on check my progress. And now it is complete. Okay, now you can click on in lab and give additional comments to this. Now you can see that 600 credits with 9 credits have been credited to your account. Now you are ready to dive into the Google Cloud Arcade program. So make sure to like this video, drop a comment if you found it helpful, and subscribe for the more guidance.